Hello, in front of me I've got Dragon Age the Veilguard. In this video I'll show you how to use Stagger function. In the beginning, while you are fighting with your opponents, you can see this purple bar. Try to fill it, and when the bar is filled, press R button on the opponent. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show it on this fight, but basically fill the purple bar and then press E button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.